Let me ask you something. What if I told you that we are already generating up to $359 per day by teaching thousands of students online, without being subject experts, without recording a single video, without appearing on camera, and without hiring real teachers? Sounds impossible, right? But stay with me for the next few minutes, because what you're about to see is changing how teaching, training, and knowledge sharing works forever. Right now, online teaching is exploding. Every day, students are learning online. Businesses are training teams online. Creators are explaining concepts online. Coaches are teaching skills online. But there's one big problem. Teaching online still depends on real humans. You need subject knowledge, confidence on camera, recording equipment, time to script, record, edit, and re-record. And that's exactly why 99% of people never start. Let's be honest. You might want to teach online, create educational content, sell knowledge, build authority, or even monetize teaching videos. But then reality hits. You're not a subject expert. You don't like being on camera. You don't have time to record videos. And hiring teachers is expensive and messy. So most people give up. And that's where everything changes. Because for the first time ever, AI has reached a point where it can teach like a human. Not just talk, not just read text, but actually explain, present, and teach topics naturally on video. That's why we created AI Professor. AI Professor is the world's first AI app that lets you create human-like teachers that speak, explain, and present any topic on video, fully done for you by AI. Powered by GPT-class language models and our proprietary Nano Banana multimodal teaching engine. And this isn't theory. We're already using AI Professor to teach thousands of students online every single day, create professional teaching videos at scale, generate up to $359 per day for our own business, without hiring teachers, without recording videos, without appearing on camera. Here's how insanely simple this is. You enter a topic. AI Professor writes the teaching script, understands the subject, explains it like a real teacher, creates a human-like teacher on video, adds voice, expressions, clarity, and presentation. You just click generate. That's it. And here's the best part. You don't need subject knowledge, teaching experience, technical skills, camera confidence. AI Professor does everything for you. If you can type a topic, you can create a professional teacher video. Think about this for a second. Online teaching is no longer limited to professors, experts, educators. Now anyone can teach. You can create educational videos, build authority, teach skills, train teams, create explainers, monetize knowledge, even if you know nothing about the subject yourself. AI Professor becomes your digital teaching brain. This is the future of teaching. AI teachers will teach online courses, train employees, explain products, educate audiences, replace expensive presenters. And the people who adopt this early will dominate. In a moment, I'm going to show you real AI Professor teacher videos, how easy it is to create them, and how people are already using this to teach and monetize. But first, let me ask you one question. Would you rather stay stuck thinking teaching requires expertise in cameras? Or let AI Professor do the teaching for you while you scale? If you're ready to teach online without being an expert, create human-like teacher videos in minutes, and leverage AI to do the hard work for you, then you're going to love what you're about to see next. Watch how AI Professor works.